Socializing 84. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a person who desired to pursue a specific lawful occupation, and the difficulty she was receiving from others about her decision, especially from her relatives. It is important to understand that generally when one chooses a path which is different from the path of others, such as their relatives and friends, they will face criticism and resistance from them. In fact, the majority of criticism comes from a person's relatives. For example, when a Muslim decides to concentrate more on acting on the teachings of Islam, and if it is something their family have not pursued themselves, then they will face criticism from them. They will be labeled foolish and extreme by those who they believed would support them on their path. It is important for Muslims to remain steadfast on the lawful path they choose and trust in the help of Allah, the Exalted, through sincere obedience, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in order to overcome these difficulties. This is a common reaction from people, as when a person chooses a different path in life from others, it makes them feel as if their path is bad or evil, and this is the reason the person has chosen a different path. Even though the person does not believe this, but only chooses a different path believing it is better for them, yet they will still face criticism. It is the same reason all the holy prophets, peace be upon them, were criticized by their people, as they chose and passively invited others to a different better path. To conclude, as long as one's path in life is lawful, they should remain steadfast and not be deterred by the criticism of others. But this does not mean they should not try to improve their situation and character. It means they should not be deterred from pursuing their lawful choice, according to the teachings of Islam. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.